Hello, welcome to Spy Money. So today I decided to go ahead and let the retirement bot run live. And if you've been in some of our public trainings the last couple weeks, I've been talking about on the sniper strategy. We trade two different strategies on that. So I built the bot to where it would trade that other strategy. And I ran it today just to show what it would do and how it works. And you can watch it live. Yes, there was a couple losing trades on there, but the point is it pulls itself out and it does a very good job. So you can watch the video of it live trading here shortly and see what you think. I did trade it on 6 different accounts, and you can see that all of those added up to 59.9706. So real money, guys. I mean, that's just I don't know what else to say. It does a great job if you just trade this. And this one, I turned it on a little bit soon, but usually I wait till about 9:40 or so. But our last trade profited at 9:51, and I turned it on right here. Is where it got turned on. So I turned it on about 9 o'clock, and in 40 minutes it did all this. Now this one right here was not an actual trade. It was a test to make sure everything was working. And so I entered the trade manually and I stopped it out manually. So that was all me there. The bot did enter these right here, and that was our first losing trade right here. It lost right here, and then it picked up a trade right here. And I forgot to turn the bot to $500, which would be 100 ticks. That's usually what we go on the US Open. So I missed $300 right here. And then up here we had a loser right here. And quite honestly, it was a lot of volume that came in, so the entry was down here. Really, the entry would have been right there. Right there is $305. Right here is $250. So if it had entered normally, then this would not have stopped out. I would not have lost money here, and then it would have picked up the $500 right here. But I lost $300, and then I picked up $500. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm still up $200 on that trade, and then 500 here, 500 here, and then I turned it off. Would it have entered any more trades? It would have entered along right here and stopped out. That is one trade that it would have entered. But you hit your goal and you get out, and that's what I tell everybody, because you don't know what the next trade's going to be. Is it going to be, winners all day long? We don't know. Hit your goal and get out. And we were over double our goal. Our goal on this was $500. We went to $1,102.14. That brought up all 6 accounts over here to just shy of $6,000. It works great, guys. Get signed up. You can trade this on multiple accounts, different prop accounts, your live accounts, whatever you want to do. Some people have like retirement accounts and 401ks, all that stuff. You can trade all of these if you have a rhythmic connection on the Quant Tower. Once you set up one rhythmic connection here, you can trade those other accounts over here. You can trade Tradeify, you can trade rhythmic, and used to you could trade Project X, but I think Project X is on its way out. So you can't do that anymore, I don't believe. I wouldn't sign up for a Project X anyway. The Tradeify and the rhythmic are the only 2 that you really need, and right here is proof that it works. Love to get you signed up on it, and how you get signed up is like this. We would love to get you started with SPY Money and start trading the SPY Money strategies and bots. And how you go about it is you go to spymoneyllc.com. Once you go there, then you're going to see the homepage. Just to give you an idea, if you have not signed up yet and you want to be in our public live webinars, you can put your first name, last name, and email address and hit subscribe. Make sure that you check your spam folder and such, and make sure it doesn't go there. When you get your email, you'll have to opt in order to receive the emails. Also, change your filtering on your server to where anything at spymoneyllc.com will not go to spam, to make sure that you get all the emails. We don't send out very many, but here lately we have been, just because we've been doing a lot of public trainings, so you'll get those. As far as the idea of how much you can make, just think if you want to make an extra $50,000 a year, $200 a day would get you there, and so forth. And just look through here and just kind of figure out what you would like to do and see where you need to be, and as far as how much this money equates to over a year or monthly or weekly. Maybe you're wanting to make an extra money so that you can pay your house off quicker. Well, how much is your house payment? Figure it up, and then this is how much you trade. Surely your house payment's not $4,000 a month, and if you made an extra $200 a day, look what you could do. Most house payments are what, a couple $1,000s a month? So if you made $400 a day, you could pay 2 months extra a month. Pretty neat. So how you get started, you go up to the lease program at the top. When you click on that, that's going to show price and everything. So it's $975 a month, which is very minimal money compared to, well, you saw $6,000 today. You could pay 6 months lease off of what I made today running the bot. And maybe you have a losing day though. You're not always going to win, so you got to make sure that you manage your risk. But $975 a month is nothing. The only other thing that you have to buy are two things. One is the Quantower has a lease of $60. You have to join Quantower and for the platform to use SPY Money strategies and bots. Once you do that, then you're on your way, and then it's just a matter of connecting your live account or your prop accounts, and you have data fees with those accounts in order to trade those. But that's the only fees you have. Any bot, any indicator, whatever, it is always included. There's never any upfront or extra fees or anything. In order to join, what you want to do is fill out this information. If you are a past user of SPY Money, then I won't have to call you because you already know what the rules are and what we do. But if you're a new user, I want to talk to you and make sure that you understand how to use our program. Make sure that it's going to work for you. Make sure that you're a good fit for SPY Money, and SPY Money is a good fit for you. We want to make sure before you pay any money that you are aware of how things work, and no surprises. If you have a list of questions, just put those list of questions down, and when I call you, we can go over those. I don't want anybody to be dissatisfied. I want to make sure that you're happy with what you're purchasing, and go from there. We have a lease agreement here. The number one thing that I like to tell everybody is bots are not set it and leave it bots. You do need to be there to manage and turn it off. I mean, things happen. You have data issues. You have PCs sometimes crash. Internet will maybe go out on you. I mean, things happen. Maybe we get a surge of volume based on news that we didn't know that we were going to get. Maybe there was like a war broke out and there was like a bunch of news come in, or anything can happen, and you need to be there to monitor it. You never ever, with me or any other company, want to turn a bot on and go to work. You need to manage it. So there are safety precautions in there that you can do, but you need to sit there and watch it. So read through these 14 items and make sure that you understand them. And if you do, click submit. One thing about the indicators, I said that you get all the indicators and bots that we offer. There's never any extra money. Here's some frequently asked questions that people ask me. One of the number one is, how big of a computer do I need? Well, this one, you need at least 16 gig of RAM, but I would recommend at least 32 or more. And the reason being is Quantower takes 11, 12 gig of RAM, sometimes a little bit more, and the more charts you open, the more it's going to go. So if you're running a bot, you're better off just to have that one chart open for the bot, and maybe 1, 2 other charts, but that's all. You don't want to load it down because it'll slow your computer down. It slows your data down. Moving your stop and take profit and stuff, it'll slow that down because it's a resource hog. So you want to make sure that you have enough data. If you don't, and you don't want to buy a new computer, get you a VPS. A VPS will work fine for you. So once you do that and send that to me, I'll review it. And if you filled out all this information correctly, I'll give you a call back and talk to you. See how things may or may not work for you. Not everybody is approved. I want to make sure that it's a good fit on both sides. That's the main thing. We also offer some prop firms. We recommend 3 of them. The 2 that I use mainly are the Apex and the Tradeify. Now, there's some big differences between these 2. Apex right now has 90% off, so you can buy a $50,000 Rhythmic account for $19. I mean, they're cheap. So if you don't have a lot of money to put into an account and trade, this will be the way to do it. Now with Apex, you can pass them one day if you want, but what I recommend you to do is go ahead and just take your time, make 500 or 1,000 a day, and just get them passed over several days. Once you do that, then the only thing you have to do is pay the fee. I can't think of the word for it. Pay the fee in order to go to a live account. And once you do that, then you can start making money. With Apex, you can draw out $2,000 every 8 days. So it's $4,000 a month is what it amounts to per account. So if you had 5 accounts or 10 accounts or 20 accounts, you can go up to 20. I'd recommend starting off with, say, 5 accounts. If you do 5 accounts here, that'll get you $10,000 or $20,000 a month. That's a lot of money. And that's only trading. Once you get past, you would only need to make like $300 or $400 a day in order to do that, and you can get that money out. And with Tradeify, the good part about Tradeify is they have different programs. You can pass in one day and go to a live account, or you can take 3 days. I recommend the 3-day one. And then once you pass those, you'll have 2 choices. You can have one that will allow you to go ahead and take daily profits, and you have one that'll take profits every 5 days. Honestly, I think 5 days is fine, but it's up to you. So you can do up to 5 accounts with these. Now they're just over $100 per account, but there's no membership to pay after you pass it. That's all inclusive. So once you pay your $100 and some odd, that's everything. With Apex, I think it's around $90 or $100 right now with the discount that you would end up paying, because you got to pay, I think it's $65 right now for the PA accounts. So they're really both about the same. The only thing different is if you blow these, they're cheap to redo. If you blow this one, it's a little more expensive. But if you manage your risk, you shouldn't be blowing your accounts. You just want to go ahead and make sure that you're doing fine with them, and then go from there. So these 2 right here work good. Always use the coupon code SPYMONEY to get the best deal. When you use that, that's going to get you really good pricing on both of these, and even the BluSky. BluSky is a pretty good one too, but you can get more accounts with Tradeify and Apex. In my opinion, I think these 2 are the best ones, and they work really well. If you're going to do this, you have to use Rhythmic on your at least one Rhythmic account on Quantower in order to trade to these others. So let's say you have Tradeify Apex accounts already, and you don't have a live account. Well, just buy you a Rhythmic account, and then with this trade syncer right here, you can put your Rhythmic Apex account on your Quantower, and you can trade to your Tradeify accounts, which will be on Tradeify or on Apex or any other account you have using the trade syncer. If you click on this will open up. Use coupon code SPYMONEY, get you the best deal, and it will allow you to trade all of the other accounts that you want. This is the best way. The trade copier that's in Quantower, I'm not real pleased with it. There's some glitches with it, and you can also not trade Tradeify. So you want to make sure that you have one Rhythmic account on your Quant Tower, and then use TradeSyncer in order to trade over or copy over to the other accounts, whether it be a Rhythmic or Tradeify or whatever it is that you're doing. You want to use this to copy trade to it, and that'll help you out. So use that to get started. If you're going to use a live account, ampfutures.com or optimusfutures.com, they both work really well. And I have both accounts, but I use the AMP because the margin's better. You only have a $400 ES margin, you have a $1,000 NQ margin, and you only have to have enough money in your account to do that. With Optimus, you have to have over $2,000 in order to trade those with those low margins. So if you're wanting to trade ES, for instance, it'll work really well for you, and you only have to put in a smaller amount. If you put in $1,500, $2,000 in your live account, you could trade ES and have enough buffer there for any kind of drawdown you may have, and you should be fine. But if you have any questions, let me know. You can also go to the Contact Us. Fill this out. If you just have some general questions, put them in here. If you need to talk to me, do that. Once we go through this, if you're interested, then you can go back to the lease program, and once you go there, fill out that information. And if I've already talked to you, then once you fill this out, then I will send you the link to join. Would love to get you started today. It works really well, and the spy money strategies and bots, I don't think there's anything out there better than what we have. And I know the emotion plays into your hand a lot, so with using the bots, the emotion is taken out. Let me know if you need anything, and looking forward to having you sign up.